All right, so here we go. Next group of problems. On number 5, notice we don't have anything going out here in front, so our slope is still going to be up 1 over 1, and it will be going upright because it doesn't have a negative sign out there. The only thing that's going to change is because of this negative 5, we're going to shift to the right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our vertex is here instead of 0, 0. And then we're going to go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, and bada bing, there you go. Our domain, again, is all real numbers, and our range is going to be 0 to positive infinity. Okay? Over here, sorry, over here we have 3 in the front, so our slope is getting steeper, so this should be tall and skinny. And then because of the negative 2 on the outside, not on the inside like this one was over here. Okay, if it's on the inside, it shifts you side to side. And if it's on the outside, it shifts you up and down. Okay, up and down. So since it's a negative 2, our vertex is normally at 0, 0 for the parent function. So because it's a negative 2 here, we're going to shift down 2, and our vertex is right here. But now we have a 3 in front as our slope. So we're going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and over 1, and up 2, 3, and over 1 the other direction. So as you can tell, we're a lot taller and skinnier. Okay. All right, and our domain, obviously, again, all real numbers, and our range this time is from here, right, here, and everything above. So this is negative 2 to positive infinity. Okay. All right, here they just want you to list the vertex and the slope. So our vertex, remember, we get that from this number and this number. So this number is a negative 4. It's actually everything in here. So to find the x value, your side-to-side value, you find what's going to make this 0. This, everything in here 0. Well, we know if we put a 4 in for x, 4 minus 4 gives us 0. So our x value of our vertex is going to be 4, okay? Positive 4. And then our y value of our vertex is going to be 6, this number right here, okay? So our vertex is 4, 6. And our slope is this number out here in front, which is 2, okay? Same thing over here. Our slope, we'll do it first, is this little guy right here. And so it's a negative 3. And then our vertex is an ordered pair, remember. It's an x value and a y value. What value is going to make all this 0? Well, negative 1, right? And then our y value would be negative 2, this little guy out here. All right, so negative 1, negative 2, and our slope is a negative 3. All right, on this one, our slope is negative 1/3. Okay, and our vertex is going to be, what makes this 0 is your x value. So negative 3 plus 3 would make that 0, right? So our x value is going to be a negative 3, and our y value is this guy out here, which is a negative 1. So negative 3, negative 1. All right. The slope, there is nothing out in front, so we assume it to be 1. So our slope on this one is 1. And our vertex, our x value, what makes this all 0, would be a negative 4. So our x value is a negative 4, and our y value is a negative 5. This guy out here. Okay? All right. So on number 11, they want you to graph the parent function and write it. The parent function of a linear equation. The parent function of a linear equation is y equals x. Okay? And it starts at the origin. You'll notice that all of them start at the origin, and you just go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, or you can go down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1, and make your straight line. Okay? On a quadratic, it's going to be y equals x squared. All right? And it'll go up 1 over 1, and then up 4 over 2, and because it goes up exponentially. So when x is 1, y is 1. When x is 2, y is 4. When x is, okay? And so you can make a t-table if you want, like this, and pick some numbers for x, or even negative numbers, and see what your y values are going to be, right? So, and then plug those in, graph them. Okay, but in general, it's just a basic U shape. Okay, basic U.